Are you tired of PyCharm opening a new browser tab every time you hit run? It can be really frustrating, especially when you already have your tabs set up just the way you like them. Stick around because today we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. Many users have expressed their annoyance with PyCharm's default behavior of launching a new tab. You're not alone in this, and it's a common concern among developers. So here's the specific question we're addressing. One user mentioned that every time they click Run, a new browser tab opens, and they want to disable this feature. They've searched through the menus but couldn't find the setting to turn it off. Sound familiar? Let's dive into how we can fix this. The issue arises because PyCharm is designed to automatically open a browser for certain configurations, especially when working with web frameworks like Django or Flask. Understanding this behavior is key to finding a solution. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a quick tip at the end that will help you customize your PyCharm experience even further. To prevent PyCharm from opening a new browser tab every time the user clicks Run, the first step is to access the Run configuration settings. This can be done by selecting the drop-down menu next to the Run button. In the Run configurations window, the user should look for the option labeled Open Browser or similar. This option controls whether a new browser tab opens when running the application. Once the user finds the Open Browser option, they should uncheck it to disable the automatic opening of a new tab. This will prevent PyCharm from launching the browser each time the application runs. Finally, the user should click Apply and then OK to save the changes. This will ensure that the new settings take effect the next time they run their application. Fun fact, did you know that the first web browser was created in 1990? It was called World Wide Web, and it didn't even have a graphical interface. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from a user named Joran Beasley suggests editing your Run configurations. Simply click the gear icon next to the play button at the top of the editor. Then, uncheck the box that says Open New Window on Run. This should prevent PyCharm from opening a new browser tab each time you run your project. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution for preventing PyCharm from opening a browser on Run, specifically for version 28.3, involves adjusting your settings. First, navigate to File, then Settings. From there, go to Build, Execution, Deployment, and select Console. Finally, check the option that says Use Existing Console for Run with Python Console. This should help you avoid new browser tabs. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution from a user suggests editing your Run configurations in PyCharm. To do this, click on the list of configurations next to the play button at the top of the editor. Then, check the box that says Single Instance Only. This should prevent new browser tabs from opening each time you run your project. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly review your Run configurations and browser settings to ensure they align with your workflow. This can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. You should now be able to run your projects without unwanted browser tabs popping up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.